Well, we told you last week about a bill that would allow parents to listen in on their kids' phone calls. It has raised questions about the relationships between parents and their children. Is it too intrusive? How do parents and kids build a trustworthy relationship? Gary Lesser, a local attorney, father of three, and a former board member of the Parent Television Council, is joining us now. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you as well.
Well, you're a parent. Should trusting your kid be that difficult?
I don't think you can trust your children, absolutely, and especially where we live now. It's so much more dangerous than when we were growing up with all these digital devices and what other people are doing.
Opportunities, we used to talk about crimes of opportunities, but these are opportunities that are unforeseen 10 years ago, and now they're happening all the time. So you've got to teach your kids about things like this, and as a parent, you want to be aware of what's going on, right?
Yeah, I always say, as a parent, you can't be an ostrich and put your head on the ground and see what happens later. You really have to know about your children's lives and what they're doing, including the technology.
Right, and they're masters of bending the truth, too. So, what may seem okay to them, well, I wasn't really doing this, or this is a friend, and friend is one of those terms that, who knows. So how do you build that trust and maintain it?
Well, I think you build the trust and maintain it by regular and open communications. And sometimes as parents, we on occasion can get frustrated. We never want to get angry enough that the door of communication gets closed.
Right, very good point, yeah. So how could listening to conversations damage a relationship with your kids?
Well, what's interesting is Michigan is what they call a one-party state, which means no party state, which means as long as one person wants to record a conversation, it's perfectly legal and proper to record it. The issue is you can't record children's conversations in Michigan. Florida is what they call a two-party state, which means an all-party state, which means you can never record or eavesdrop on a conversation unless everyone agrees.
Wow.
So as to eavesdropping and that sort of thing, I think that, I know what we do, we talk to our children and say, listen, we've given you the phones and we're paying for the phones, and that means that you don't have complete privacy. Are we in agreement? And you have to have a conversation.
That's true.
So they understand. All
right, so parents need to make that separation between parenting and trying to be a friend to their kids.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, all right. Keep those those lines of communications open, right?
Most
That's
definitely.
the key. All right, thank you so much, Gary.
Thank you.